Hello friends and welcome to LKP's weekly commodity outlook. My name is Jatin Trivedi and I shall enlighten you with some key important triggers for commodities market this week. So let's get started. So first and foremost, the bullions market, as we have seen that the prices are holding good levels, that is above 50,000 in gold and around about 60,000 in silver. Although the prices are quite volatile, but still the broad trend still remains the same, that is bullish trend, mild to bullish trend for gold and silver both, with base support at 50,000 for gold in MCX market and around about 60,000 to 61,000 in silver prices. But especially if we look at the counters which are going to be on a total limelight for this week are going to be the base metal prices, especially the copper and zinc prices, which are looking quite bullish for this week. So to comprise it together, we would recommend to go long on the metal index, that is the newly launched index for trading, which is the metal index, MCX metal index, trading at around the levels of around 12,000. We are recommending to go long for this week at the levels of around 12,000 to 12,020 odd levels, with the stop loss below 11,750 odd levels, and for the target for this week we are keeping at the levels of around 12,450 odd levels. Because we are quite bullish on the base metal prices like copper, zinc and nickel, it is prudent to be trading in the index which has been launched, and it is quite liquid also, and also the margin added value, margin benefits are also there. Plus it has been launched, so the MCX has also reduced the charges, what the exchange charges are there. So it is quite benefited for all the clients to be trading in metal index for the base metal. So we would recommend to start trading in metal index, that is the newly launched contract, and take the benefits of it, as the base metal prices are looking quite trending right now, and the upside potential also looks quite good. So the last segment, which is the energy complex, we would recommend to avoid the natural gas counter, is quite volatile for this week. Even if you have some positions, then one can be holding the long positions with the stop loss of 195 on natural gas prices, and on the energies front, that is the crude prices, 2000 odd levels, 3000 to 3100 odd levels look quite resistance zone. So I would recommend to avoid the counter of crude oil prices as of now, and also natural gas prices.